Welcome back. Now we are going to the fifth numerical in the first exercise of some applications of trigonometry. The question is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. No slack means it is not bent, it is completely straight. So we will first draw the diagram. So if this is our kite, the height of a kite is given. 60 meters is the height of the kite. So we know this. 60 meters is the height of the kite. Now the string is tied to a point and it makes an angle of 60 degrees. So if this is our string, it is making an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. So this angle is 60 degrees. So this is our kite. This angle is 60 degrees. This is the length of the string, which means we need to find the hypotenuse. What is given to us? Opposite is given. How is opposite and hypotenuse related? Trigonometric ratio is sine theta. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So I know they are related, opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is 60 meters by length of the string. Now what is sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is 60 meters by length of the string, because sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. We need to know that. Now you can substitute or cross multiply. If I take it on top, I'll get L is equal to 60 into 2, 120 meters by root 3. 120 meters by root 3. Now 120 I can write it as 3 into 40, because root 3 is there. I'm looking for a 3 in the numerator. 3 into 40 is 120. So 3 into 40 by root 3 meters. This is L. Now we all know how to write 3. 3 is root 3 into root 3. Now you should be very comfortable with this. So L is root 3 into root 3 into 40 by root 3. What will get cancelled? 1 root 3 will get cancelled. L is 40 root 3 meters. This is the length of the string. So length of the string is 40 root 3 meters. So very simple. First draw the diagram. Kite is at a height of 60 meters. You have to find length of the string. Angle formed is 60 degrees. So opposite and hypotenuse is related by sine. So sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cross multiply 120 by root 3. 120 is 3 into 40. 3 is root 3 into root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. L is 40 root 3 meters, which is the length of the string.